I was ready to pack for Mount Hermon like a month in advance.
I think about what I do now. I would say stuff here that I shouldn't be saying. I'm starting to think about what I say before I say it.
I did have many things, I could have shame, guilt, and weaknesses, and I didn't necessarily think that it would separate me from God. I would just have them in my life, and I would just try to work them out, and sometimes I would actually push God away. It was just hard, and I felt like I should be able to do it on my own, or I might not be good enough.
Everybody tells you God always loves you and He's always there. But in the moment when you're having a tough time, you feel like this isn't right, this is wrong, and it's bad, and it's why God, why? But realizing that there's other people in tougher situations.
Nothing can separate you from God's love. And I think that that's a major part of our lives as Christians, because we've grown up thinking that certain things can separate us from that, but nothing can.
I always think of God as the sun shining through the trees. He hears us and He wants to reach out to us because we're all children of God. I've learned to trust God more, especially and pray to Him and worship Him more. I know that nothing could separate us from God's love because He is always there for us no matter what. And whenever we're in trouble, He is always by our side, helping us 24/7.
Hermon is like the best place ever.
Mount Hermon is a place that you can come to if you want to find a stronger bond with God and Jesus, and just learn how God's love can never break apart from you.